So tell me, what are you wearing?
I am wearing a dress which is styled by my mother, and she wanted me to wear this because ये उन्हीं की साड़ी का टुकड़ा है जो उन्होंने मेरे लिए स्कर्ट सिलवाया है. So it's a very mother feeling with it. So yeah.
So can you twirl for us?
Well, I can.
Wow.
You know, Avika ji, so nice to see you here. Okay, so nice to see you here. Tell me, what do you think about IndianWikimedia.com and Siddharth's new initiative?
I think I don't think, but I know that it's going to work really well because I know Siddharth very well, and he was one of the first person who ever took my interview, and it really means a lot to me. And he was always there supporting whatever I did, not just TV, but everything. He made sure that people there who don't know anything about South Indian films or who don't know anything about the international stuff that I was doing, he made sure that people know about it, and he put up the article. So yeah, it really means a lot that to have that support in the industry, and for Indian Wikimedia, I'm always going to be there.
So we are going to see a lot of Avika Gaur articles on Indian Wikimedia.
I am sure that if Siddharth doesn't do that, he knows what's coming up.
Would you like to wish IndianWikimedia.com all the best in your own style?
IndianWikimedia.com, special love from my side coming your way, and a lot of blessings coming your way because you're younger than me and something is younger than me at least. So yeah, I love you guys, and I love you people who are gonna subscribe or watch or read our articles there, and you guys are gonna love it.
You know, you're the shan of every party that you walk into. What can we expect tonight? How are you going to enjoy tonight here at the party?
Will we see you dance?
You know, your information about being the shan of every party is really wrong.
No, you're being very modest then.
No, because I don't go to parties.
Then we are really privileged to have
Oh
you here.
yes, you are. So yeah, no, the thing is, I'm obviously, like I said, I don't go to many parties, so I don't know many people here.
Right.
That's the reason I was just standing there with 2-3 people I know. And yeah, I think I'm gonna socialize a little more this time, and I think Indian Wikimedia is again helping me do that.
Absolutely, we'll ensure that you do a lot of socializing in our circuit. Thank you so very much, Avika.
Thank you so much.